Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. We are Team AUREUS from College Matrikulasi Johor.
Science experiments are important aspect in the matriculation syllabus. Almost all biology experiments involve observing slides under microscope, and how the student handle or conduct a microscopic slide are a very important lesson to be taught. Problem statements are hard to obtaining a correct image of specimen, image obtained does not meet the matriculation syllabus, and confused during storing the prepared slide. Other than that, the microscopic prepared slide are expensive due to the type of glass used, required expertise to produce the specimen, and the slide is imported, which is costly and time consuming. Our objectives are producing slides that are inexpensive, easy to maintain and store, creating a method that eases students' observation of slides and understanding, creating effective experience for students in microscopy lenses, and increasing student skill with microscope and slide observation. Teaching principles involve incorporate online learning with traditional place-based classroom method, encourage active learning among students, and stimulate students' intrinsic motivation for self-learning. Methodology in the production of iSlide. A set image of plant tissue have printed and mounted on glass slide. One side of the slide is labeled with the common name of the plant tissue. On the other side have a QR code that contains labeled image of the plant tissue at different magnification power. These iSlides were printed on different colored paper and placed in a box that are also color-coded. On the color-coded box also have a QR code that contains the VR video of plant tissue.
Take the iSlide from color-coded box, scan the QR code on the iSlide, observe the iSlide under microscope and draw, answer few questions provided in Google Form, store the iSlide back to its respective boxes, and scan the QR code on the box to watch a VR video of the specific specimen. Impact from iSlide are cost reduction, teaching and learning, and intrinsic motivation.
Production cost of iSlide can be reduced up to 97% as compared to purchasing the conventional prepared slide. 50 out of 112 students take 3 to 5 minutes to complete the laboratory practical by using conventional slide, while 78 out of 112 students complete the laboratory practical less than 3 minutes by using iSlide. So the conclusion is iSlide eases and quickens the practical session. Based on survey results, 100% of students agree that the iSlide eases them to get the correct image in a shorter time and eases them to store the slide in respective boxes. Benefit of iSlide to user: better understanding of the specimen and the experiment they were conducting, eases student observation, which is less time to complete a microscopy experiment. The students' intrinsic motivation also was stimulated when using iSlide due to the ability for them to get an accurate image. Train the students to store the iSlide correctly, and the iSlide is a fun and beneficial equipment during microscopy practical session. Although printed slides are widely used and commercialized, we have improved the slide by adding the QR codes on each slide to access the correct image of specimen for reference, adding QR codes that contain evaluation questions regarding the experiment conducted, adding QR codes on each slide box to access VR videos related to plant tissues, and color coding the QR codes on each slide and box for convenient storage. In terms of commercialization, iSlide, inexpensive, easy to maintain and store. Slides can be commercialized to other matriculation colleges, pre-university colleges, and to secondary schools, and also can be applied to other specimens such as animal tissues. iSlide also have been registered under MyIPO.
iSlide have been also been distributed to other matriculation colleges and secondary schools. Our team also had won silver and gold awards in many innovations competitions, including several national and international competitions.
There are several future recommendations to distribute more to other educational institutions, application to other experiments, and incorporate with microscope by using QR code that links with microscope. Thank you.